Hello guys, समस्तଙ୍କୁ नमस्कार. My name is Chandan Jani and my channel name is CJ Spoken English. So every day मैं 10 सेंटेंस टा प्रैक्टिस करबा. So ओडिया टू इंग्लिश. ओके, सो काली काम थला तो सेट पे मु वीडियो अपलोड कर न पार नथली. ओके, सो I will upload a video and I will teach you how to translate. Look at the blackboard carefully. Okay, so everyday translate in Odia to English. Definitely we must speak in English also. Okay, so look at the blackboard carefully. I am going to translate it. Okay, so ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଅଛି. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଅଛି means I have it. Okay, I have it. I have it. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି. I have it. ମୋତେ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ. ମୋତେ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ. I like it. Okay, I like it. I like it. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଥିଲା. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଥିଲା. It means I had it. Okay, ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା. I had it. So marker ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି ଠିକ୍ ରେ. I had it. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା. Okay, ମୋତେ ଏହା ଦରକାର. ମୋତେ ଏହା ଦରକାର. I need it. Okay, I need it. ମୋତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I must. Okay, I must leave now. I must leave now. I must leave now. Okay, ମୋ ମତରେ. ମୋ ମତରେ. ମୋ ମତରେ. ମୋ ମତରେ. My okay, my opinion. My opinion. My opinion. Okay, ମୋ ମତରେ my opinion. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. All right. All right. Okay, all right. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. All right. ଏହା ସହଜ. It's easy. It's easy. Okay, it's easy. ଏହା ସରିଗଲା. It's done. Okay, it's done. ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ in future. In future. Okay, in future. So once more we translate. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଅଛି. I have it. ମୋତେ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ. I like it. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଏହା ଥିଲା. I had it. ମୋତେ ଏହା ଦରକାର. I need it. ମୋତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I must leave now. Okay, I must leave now. ମୋ ମତରେ. In my opinion. Okay, in my opinion or my opinion. Okay, my opinion. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. All right. All right. Okay, all right. ଏହା ସହଜ. It's easy. ଏହା ସରିଗଲା. It's done. ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ in future. Okay, so like every day we translate it.